Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about good advice. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Good advice. What do you think good advice means? Because a lot of time people believe they are giving good advice, and it may be good advice according to them, but in practice it's not always good advice. If I want to instruct somebody how to steal something, I can give them good advice in maybe how not to get caught, but it is actually bad advice because the whole purpose is not to get away with something that is wrong, but rather to do what is right. So, if you understand my point, then just think about it. How many times have we been told what somebody believes is good advice, but they've got no understanding? Now, that's the thing. If you've got knowledge, but you don't have understanding, which a lot of people have these days, because we are not trained to think and reason for ourselves. We are actually pre-programmed to do and believe and be a certain person. Now, what would good advice be? It is to follow good principles written in the scriptures. Now, for me, many times, if you want to give somebody advice, give them principles, because if you have a good principle, you can apply it to many things in life. Do unto others as unto yourself. That is one of the main things how I raise my children. Is if they do something, I tell them, listen here, scripture says, do unto others as you would done unto yourself. Is this what you want me to do to you? And if they say no, then I say, but why do you do it to somebody else then? And it makes them think. And I want us to be people that think what is good, what is right, and what is acceptable. That is how we're going to discover the will of God for our lives as well. Is according to Romans, submit your life as a living sacrifice to know the good, the acceptable, and the perfect will. Focus on principles, focus on doing what's right, focus on good, and you will see a whole big difference. Father, I pray that we'll focus on what you say, what you want us to do, how you want us to live life. Help us to think and reason for ourselves, not how other people want us to think, but how you want us to think. I thank you for your great love, and I thank you for your great mercy. And I thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.